Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the cargo area, which is pretty spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You've got tie-down points on either side with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and you have cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you need them on either corner. And underneath this rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth interior, partial cloth and vinyl wetsuit material, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches with molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your screen where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your radio or now playing, phone controls, and other information. You can cycle through other controls. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards, auto start stop shut off, and a little tray here. Moving down further, you have your climate controls with heated front seats, and beneath that you have this area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and goat mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.